Today you are going to learn how to change font type, color and size. And if you stay toward the end of this lesson, I am going to make a big announcement. Hello guys, welcome to Tutorials World. If you are new to the channel, press that subscribe button and turn on the notification for stay update and get the new videos faster. Okay, previous video we talked about the CSS. Then we learned about the CSS properties, values, rules and we wrote our first CSS line. If you haven't watched that video yet, you can find it in the description below. Go back and watch the video. Let's start. Now we are going to add another CSS rule for p tag, which is this one over here. Now let's go and open the web page again to see how this p tag looks. Okay, you can see how this look like. Now let's go and open our source again. Okay, first thing we are going to do is changing the size of the p tag. Notice, the property we use for this is font hyphen size colon, let's add 25 pixels. And we add in semicolon to finish the line. Right, what is this px means? Px stands for pixel. Remember, we use centimeters and millimeters to measure the length in real life, but inside the displays we use pixels. This will help the text to stay always sharp and crisp inside the web pages. Okay, let's go back and see what happened to the web page. See, it is large right now. If you haven't noticed anything, let's go back and change the value to 50 pixels. Now you can see what happened. I am setting this back to 25 pixels. Next, you are going to change the text color of p tag. We use color colon blue. Okay, right now I know what you are thinking. Here we use background hyphen color. Shouldn't we use the text hyphen color or font hyphen color? Unfortunately, no. This is the standard way of changing the font color. Let's open our web page and see what happens. Okay, you can see all the text inside the p tag now turned into blue. Let's go back again and open our source again. Next, we are going to change the font type. To do that, we use property called font hyphen family colon and I am adding the font called Calibri. Remember, you can add any font you need. Let's go and check this out. Okay, now you can see these texts are changed into nice and clean font type. Time to make an announcement. From the next video onwards, we are adding single subs. to learn CSS for Sri Lankans. Alright guys, that's it for today, and make sure you like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for future updates. Feel free to ask any questions below in the comment section.